கற்றது கைமண் அளவு கல்லாதது உலகளவு. Hi friends, today we are going to see an important dairy product, curd. Curd is one of the amazing ingredients in India. It is not just tasty, but it is very healthy to humans. In our Indian food culture, curd has carved a special place for itself. No Indian meal is complete without a cup of curd and rice. It is highly adaptable and one of the most therapeutic foods. Curd comes from milk and it is composed of many essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, potassium and magnesium. This dairy product makes every dish wonderful with its goodness. In our country, it is one of the dominant dish in all our kitchens and it is used to give our gravies and curries a thick and creamy consistency. It is also used to sauce meats. Now I am going to tell about the healthy benefits of curd in our daily life. Curd is the lactic acid fermentation of milk. Microorganisms responsible for fermenting milk are known as probiotics. Curd also acts as a probiotics. It has very good bacteria that aid digestion in the gut. To improve the digestive ability of curds, several commercial brands have probiotics added to their curd, so it is used for digestion. The probiotics present in the curd, which are considered to be powerful immunity builders, and their presence makes curd one of the most important immunity booster food. Consuming of curd reduces the frequency such as abdominal distress, stomach pain, and flatulence. It contains conjugated linoleic acid, which is controlling the body's fat gain. Apart from these benefits, curd is one of the richest source of protein, calcium, and minerals. It also serves as a very good medicine. It has an enzyme that keeps the body cool and it is also a good healer. It is also an excellent source of protein for vegetarians. 1 cup of curd provides 70% of recommended daily allowance of calcium. Curd promotes strong bones due to the presence of calcium as well as vitamin D, which helps in bone formation. Curd with the help of probiotics is very helpful for heart ailments, for preventing and delaying degeneration of body. It purifies blood and keeps digestive system healthy. A study found that daily consumption of curd reduces the cholesterol level in people and also has the potential of reducing the risk of coronary heart diseases. Curd is low in sodium, so it is safe to be eaten by individuals with high blood pressure. High intake of curd is significantly associated with decreased colorectal cancer risk. Curd moisturizes the skin and heals dry skins naturally. The lactic acid in the curd acts as an exfoliation, helps in shedding dead skin cells and fight against early signs of aging. It is also a great beauty ingredient for face packs. Curd may be particularly good for women as it helps in discouraging the growth of yeast infections. The bacteria found in curd is known as to control the growth of infection in the body and kills the yeast by producing hydrogen peroxide. Hope you understand about the benefits of curd in this video. Thank you. Stay positive, work hard, make it happen.